Kangana is furthering her own agenda, was the accusation made by advocate Vikas Singh, who is representing Sushant's family. While the Panga star has been trying to present his comments as positive and supportive, looks like she may have got a shot in the arm from Sushant's sister Shweta. It was definitely an awkward situation for Kangana, who has been actively battling for justice for Sushant and also alleging that she was victimized similarly by those she refers to as the movie mafia.
इस दुश्मनों के उनके गंदे इरादों में सफल नहीं होने दे सकते.
Kangana Ranaut had claimed that she would return her Padma Shri award if her allegations and her theories about the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput were actually proved false. And now she finds herself in a slightly tricky situation when Sushant Singh Rajput's father's lawyer Vikas Singh has undermined her claims of nepotism and the movie mafia driving Sushant to take this extreme step. She did receive some amount of reprise when Sushant's sister posted something on social media, but the truth remains that we still don't know what happened to Sushant and we're still waiting for the CBS conclusion. Here's the story. Kangana has attacked multiple colleagues from within the industry, accusing them of bullying, favoritism and unfair treatment of outsiders and those from small towns who come to Bollywood and aspire for stardom.
कुछ लोग जो हैं जिनको आई थिंक कुछ लोग हैं जो ऑब्वियसली हेड़ा बन के पेड़ा खाते हैं और खुद भी मेंटल बन के रहते हैं, दूसरों को भी मेंटल, सो वो सब एक अलग पूरा ज्योमेट्री है वो इंडस्ट्री का. सो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट.
However, she suffered a seeming setback after Sushant's father's lawyer, Mr. Vikas Singh, distanced himself from the allegations made by Kangana right from the time an FIR was filed by the family in Patna, naming Riya as the main accused and focusing on financial mismanagement and mental harassment. In fact, recently, Mr. Vikas Singh is reported to have said she's trying to further her own agenda and attack people she has a personal issue with to settle her own scores. The family's FIR has nothing to do with her claims at all. Everyone knows nepotism exists in the industry. Sushant too must have faced discrimination, but that can't be the primary cause of investigation in this case. Those can still be contributory factors, but the main case is on how Riya and her gang tried to completely exploit and finish Sushant. Kangana has been trying to clear the air or save face ever since and shared multiple posts defending herself after netizens started trolling her and shared clips of Mr. Vikas Singh undermining her online campaign that he alleges misguided the investigation. Kangana had posted, "Movie mafia Bikau media is at it again. Sushant's lawyer family never said anything against me, but rumors are being spread. Here's what the family lawyer said almost in every interview of his. Beware of vulture media." She also shared a post by a netizen which features a short clip of Vikas Singh saying, "Kangana is right in saying that she, that is Riya Chakrabarti, used the opportunity of a vacuum that was created in Sushant's life to take over his life and his affairs completely." And now she seems to have received some support, if not a direct validation, from Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti, who shared a social media post thanking all those who have fought to get justice for Sushant. "I salute each and every warrior of Bhai. You guys are our strength and real hero in every which way. Right now, our goal should be to stay united for the right cause, requesting unity and understanding." Kangana immediately responded to this post that she sees as a mark of support to her online campaign for the actor and wrote, "Thank you, Shweta Di. Thank you for your kind words. The usual suspects are being mischievous. Thank you for squashing all the rumors against me." While the campaign of Sushant's fans and family and the right political and legal support may have ensured a CBI investigation into the case, but whether Kangana's claims will hold any importance in a court or a legal investigation remains to be seen.